In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix it when your Fire Stick remote is flashing blue up at the very top. This usually means that your remote is paired with the TV, but it isn't responding properly. But before we actually get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you're going to want to do is enter in troubleshoot mode on your remote. So press and hold down the rewind button and the right button at the exact same time for about 3 seconds. When you do that, release both buttons and then quickly press the menu button on your remote, and this will put your remote into troubleshoot mode, and you should see a green light up at the very top. Now press any button on your remote. If it flashes blue, Amazon says the remote itself is working fine. Now since the remote isn't the issue, the next step is going to be restarting your Fire TV. So press the power button on your TV manually and then unplug the TV or Fire Stick from the wall and wait about 30 to 60 seconds before plugging it back in. This is called a power cycle and it can fix a lot of problems. But once everything turns back on, press and hold down on the home button on your remote for about 15 seconds. If it doesn't connect right away, try spam pressing the home button a few times. As you can see, if I do that, you'll see that the remote immediately gets detected. Sometimes these remotes can be a little finicky, so you just have to spam it. But that is it. You should now see that blue flashing light again, and your remote should be working normally. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.